How to use Gusto. Now, if you have ever tried to manage payroll manually, you already know it is an absolute mess. Now, between calculating salaries, handling taxes, and managing benefits, and even staying compliant with regulations, payroll isn't just time consuming. It is basically risky. Now, one small mistake can actually cost you a lot of money or even legal trouble if you're unlucky. Now, that's exactly why tools like Gusto exist. Gusto is an all-in-one payroll, HR, and benefits platform designed mainly for small to medium-sized businesses. It automates everything from paying employees to filing taxes, which is why it is widely considered as one of the easiest payroll systems to use today. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to use Gusto step by step from setting up your account to running your first payroll like a pro. Now the first step is getting started with Gusto. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to gusto.com and here you're going to hit create free account. Okay. Now, once you go over to create free account, what it does is it takes you to its login section. Now over here, it's going to give you this whole sign up page. So obviously you can go ahead and sign up with your Google account. Okay. You can use any other email if you have, but I'm simply going to use my own Gmail. And simply from here, we're going to click on continue. Now, this is actually one of its biggest strengths. It's designed so even beginners can complete setup in under 30 minutes. All you're going to need to do is you're going to provide the information and hit create account. Now, once you hit create account, what happens from here is it's obviously going to take you through the whole setup wizard, going to take you through the onboarding. Now, it will say, click the link in the inbox to verify. So I'm simply going to go ahead and do that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to open up our Gmail and we're going to make sure that we verify ourselves. Okay, verification is quite consistent and it is definitely needed to be done because without verification, you will not be able to run your store properly. So once we have done that, as you can see, it's going to take us to app.gusto.com. Now, this will land us straight into Gusto. You're going to be asked to enter company details, including business name, addresses, and even industry. And you're going to connect to your bank account, which is used to pay employees. So, who is your company planning to pay with Gusto? So, let's say I'm going to go with non-US employees. Okay. Now, once we do that, we're going to click on continue. And once you do that, it's going to ask you to create your whole company profile. I'm going to go with new to running payroll, and then in which U.S. state do you live in? Let's go with Alabama. Click on continue. Then you're going to go ahead and create all of the things that it asks you to do. Just fill in all the information. And once all of that is done, what you're going to do from here is simply hit continue. So in this, I'm going to go ahead and add in retail. Okay. And once that is done, what is going to happen is it's going to go ahead and ask you what you're, retailing in. Once you've done that, click on continue. Over here, does anyone in your company need to track hours? I'm going to go with no and click on continue. Then it says create your company profile. Obviously, we're going to go ahead and add all the necessary details that are needed. Okay. And let's go ahead and I'll add that. Click on continue. Obviously, it says, when is your first payday, but of course, it needs to be after the current, coexisting time. Now, once that is done, click on continue, and Gusto is going to be done with the onboarding. Now, once that is done, it says creating a Gusto package for your store. Now, here they start giving you with these packages. Now, you can go ahead and get a whole, configured plan for yourself. If you want a contractor only plan, solo plan, simple plan, premium plan, whatever you want, you can choose that for yourself. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and choose the, you can go with the most simplest plan if you want to. That, of course, depends on you, how you want to, work along with it. Now, here it's giving me priority support. You can go ahead and turn on Gusto Money Plus, Time and Attendance Plus. And of course, I'm going to go with this right now and click on save because it is totally free to use that specific add-on. And here, let's say I'm going to go with this plan, the contractor only plan, which is $6 a month. Pretty cheap prices if you go ahead and work along with it. Once that is done, you're going to hit continue with this package. And once you hit continue with this package, what Gusto does from there is it loads you to your basic onboarding. You're going to give them a physical address of your basic Gusto address of your work. So you're obviously going to go ahead, add in the street. Once you've done that, click on continue. From here, it's going to take you to your Fed tax info. So basically your EIN, which is your employee identification number, and the CB575 form. You're simply going to enter all those details. So obviously you're going to go ahead and add the general CIN. Okay. Once we've done that, what's the legal name of your company? You're going to add that. It's simply going to go ahead and verify everything according to itself. And once all of that is done, basically, Gusto is going to bring us here. Now, it's your time to add your team. Gusto allows you to add both employees and contractors, which is quite useful if you're running a hybrid business. So, first of all, you can come over to people, and you can start adding people in this. So, go to add person. Over here, tell us who you'd like to add. You can add the person who you want to put in. Once you've done that, let's say it's a contractor, you can give them their personal email and simply hit continue. Once you've done that, that adds the person, and now you're gonna give them their roles, their titles, etc. Obviously, you're gonna choose the start date that it is, okay, and of course, to make sure to add a date that is above 1995. Done that, click on save and continue, and that obviously adds the person, okay? Then moving on with Gusto, how do you set up your payroll system? So to set up the payroll system, simply go over to pay. Once you go over to pay, over here, it's going to give you the contractor payments, okay? So to set up contractor payments, here are all the steps you need to do. So to do that, you will need to make sure to add your Fed tax info, your bank account, and once all of that is done, add the team members, and once you've done all of that, finally, from there on out, you're just going to need to sign the documents that Gusto gives you, verify your bank account, and finally, from there on out, you can start paying your contractors that you add in your team section. Okay, that is how Gusto is powerful to users like you. And running your first payroll is pretty simple. It's the part most people will worry about, and it's actually running payroll. But here's the reality, it's surprisingly simple. Just go over to pay, review employee hours or salaries, check the total payout, and click run. Now Gusto processes payments and sends direct deposits to those employees, handling all of the work. Now let's keep it real, just because Gusto is easy doesn't mean you can blindly trust everything. One common mistake is rushing through the whole setup. If your employee date or tax details are incorrect, it can create issues later. Always double check everything. Another mistake is going to be relying too heavily on automation without reviewing the payroll. So, Gusto is pretty ideal for small to medium businesses that want simplicity. If you're a startup, freelancer with a team, or running a full-grown company, it gives you everything you need without complexity. So, if you've been avoiding payroll because it feels complicated, tools like Gusto completely change the game. Once you set it up properly, it basically runs in the background, freeing you up to focus on actually growing your business. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.